Poor Murdoch was left on the line. The trucks had derailed him, and now he was in big trouble. Emily was told to come and help Murdoch. She buffered up to Jerome and started to get Murdoch back onto the track. Emily helped Jerome pull Murdoch back onto the track. Emily heaved and tried her best to get Murdoch back onto the track. Heave! 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 I'm trying! And before they knew it, Murdoch was safely back onto the track, and the rest of the truck was saved. Once Murdoch and the trucks were back on the line, Emily and Murdoch had a little reunion. "I'm sorry," Emily said. I really didn't mean to be so rude to you and say I was working hard. No, Emily, it's not your fault. We both are working hard, and I should listen to you. It's all my fault. I'm the one that caused the accident, but it's okay, Murdoch. I know you're sorry. Let's just get that together, okay? Right, said Murdoch, and the two engines chugged down the line. Together. Emily, said Murdoch. I'm a bit stuck here. Oh, don't worry, said Emily. I'm coming down. Here, I'm coming. Friendship lasts long.